Wagwan people, welcome back to this channel. This is a revisited video. I am gonna cook stew peas using pig's tail. So the first video I uploaded, I cooked stew peas using pig's tail and chicken foot and no spinners. So in this video I am gonna use only the pig's tail and I am gonna add spinners. Now in the pot is 2 cups water, 1 pint red peas, and pig's tail, and 2 cloves garlic and pimento seeds that you call allspice. Now I remove the excess salt from the pig's tail by boiling it for 5 minutes, and then discard the water, boil again for 5 minutes, rinse the pig's tail, and that's it. So I'm gonna cook the stew peas on a coal stove using charcoal. Alright people, so it's time to sink the peas, as we say in Jamaica. If you notice, the peas rise to the top of the water, so I am gonna pour 1 cup of tap water into the pot, and this will cause the peas to go down to the bottom. So we call that method sink the peas. Anyway, I should have mentioned that I use more peas than needed to because I want the stew peas to have a red color, and I'm not gonna add anything to it to give it a red color because they are not making the peas good nowadays or whatever. I don't know why the peas them not red. Yeah, so I will have to remove some of the peas too because the peas will be more than the pig's tail, and that's not nice. Yes, I will show you that step as I go along. The peas is cooked, so now I am removing some of the peas. As I mentioned before, I use more peas than needed to because I want the stew peas to have a red color, but the peas is too much for the pig's tail and I need them to be at the same ratio, so I am removing some of the peas. I put 1 cup of all-purpose flour into a container with a little bit of salt, and then I use a little bit of water to mix the flour into a dough. Then I cover the dough and allow it to rest for about 15 minutes. Now I pinch off pieces of dough and roll it lengthwise to make spinners because I did not have anyone to hold the camera at the time, so the spinners already in the pot. If you don't know how to make dough, look at my red peas recipe. I added 2 cups of coconut milk along with 1 stalk scallion, piece of fresh thyme, and 1 green hot pepper. I use green hot pepper because the green ones are more for flavor while the ripe ones are for eat, and in this case I want flavor, not eat, and I remove the stem as well so that the flavor can seep through where the stem was. Yeah man, so all I need to do right now is to just cover the pot and allow the stew peas to simmer until it reaches to a thick consistency. So this is the stew peas. You can have this with anything that you chooses to, but white rice is the preferred choice by many people. Just make sure so you add some vegetables as well and enjoy. Thanks for watching.